Hey everybody, it's me, Dr. Janet Roark, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. I am super excited to come to you today because I have a little surprise for you. So my friends over at Got Oil Supplies sent me some boxes. Ooh. Okay, so I haven't even opened them up yet, so I don't know what's in them. But I helped them put together a some recipes for dogs and cats, so for pets that I want to share with you guys. So if you're hopping on, let me know where you're from. So let's get started. Do you guys want to see what's in here? Let me know if you want to see what's in here. Hey, Nicole. Okay, so the first box, it's in this nice little Got Oil Supplies, little purple wrapping paper, tissue paper, very nicely wrapped. I don't even know what's in here. So let's see what we got. I think this one is, they have two boxes. This one is the Oiler box. So this one's $19.95, I believe. Per month. We can cancel or skip any month. So we've got sprayer tops. Okay, can you guys see that? Little spray tops. So there's 6 of them in here. And there's a pipette and a little funnel. So let me show you guys these. I haven't opened them up yet, so I don't know what it is. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that with the light. So there's like a little pipette and a funnel. Some spray tops to go with the recipes. Okay, we've got 2 of the 2-ounce bottles, spray bottles. Okay. We have 4 of the, ooh, they're glass. Pretty nice. 4 of these ones are 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. There's 4 of those. And then there is a plastic like container for, oh, it's good plastic too. It's the good kind. And that is, what size is that? Probably 250. Does that sound right? Milliliter cream jar. There is this really cute, oh, I'm trying to get it so the light doesn't shine on it. Okay. This is a diffuser necklace with a paw. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That's worth like $19.95 right there. So it comes with a chain and like the little paw. My light is terrible. Sorry, guys. Right there. Can you guys see that? It's so cute. Oh, there we go. Just put that right on your necklace so you can see that's super cute. It comes with a little chain. It's actually a pretty chain. And then we have this little one, this little jar. This one's a glass jar. And this looks like a 15 milliliter kind of a cream jar with a white top. And it's got like the little plastic. This isn't like flimsy either. That'll stay on there good. That's cool. Okay, and of course, what do we have here? We have the little sheets. It has safety info for cats and dogs, oils to avoid with cats and dogs. It's super cute. And then on the back, it has all the recipes. So the recipes on here, there's an all-natural healing salve. Oh, that's what'll go in here, the 8-ounce jar. And Fleer tick spray, DIY toothpaste, bad breath spray, ear spray, calm and cool spray, and hot spot spray, and tummy tamer. So these are recipes that I helped them develop. So I know they're good and I know they work. And then, oh, this. The labels. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, you guys. They did such a good job. I did not come up with the labels. I'm not a graphics person. These are amazing. Amazing. Okay, cool. So you can get all of that for $19.95. That's what's in this box. And then they also have a builder box. So for those of you that are building a business or you want to do like a make and take, they have a box for you guys as well. Want to see what's in there? Do you guys want to see what's in there? I can't see your comments. Let me see. Why can't I see your comments? I don't know. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And okay, there we go. Awesome. Okay, do you guys want to see the builder box? Okay, so this one is like for make and takes. This is a builder box. It's $39.95. So, and you can sign up for the subscription and get it monthly, and it'll be like a different topic or a different theme every month. This one happens to be pets, my favorite topic. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Again, beautiful wrapping. It is heavier than the other one. Okay, we have the spray tops. So there's 6 of those. We have the all natural healing salve spray, 8 ounce. We have the 15 milliliter one. We have 4 of the, let's see, can you open this? Sorry, I should have opened all this stuff before I went live, but that's okay. I'm having fun. Woo! I hope you guys are having fun. So 4 of the 1 ounce, 30 milliliter spray bottles. We have the paw pendant necklace, diffuser necklace, again. Super cute. I love that. We have a funnel and pipette so that you can use fresh ones every month. We have the 2 ounce spray bottles. So you can kind of see the size difference, like 1 ounce and 2 ounce. And okay. And we have these little guys. So these are 5 milliliter clear glass salve jars, cream jars. Oh, if they're in like a package, I can't open this one because it's pretty tightly wrapped, but they're the 5 milliliters. So this one's 15 for the full size recipe for the toothpaste. And then, or you can do the healing salve, which is what I recommend. And then put some in the small jars to do for your make and take so people can take stuff home with them and still learn how to make it. And then, what are these? These are cute. These are, what are these? These are amazing. These are clear spray bottles that are 5 milliliter. So you can make up either one, any of the recipes. So in your 1 ounce spray bottle or 2 ounce spray bottle, and then disperse them in teeny tiny bottles to do as giveaways for like your make and take, or to get people interested, or as a giveaway if they sign up or anything like that. So, and there are 12 of them in here. So you can invite 12 people, you know, half of them can get this. All 12 of them can get this, or they can pick and choose. And then, oh my goodness gracious, what do they have here? Oh, they have like a whole book of the, it's like a little tear sheet with the safety information and the recipes. So you get 12 of those and 12 label sheets. So people can still leave with the label sheets. How cool is that? And that is the builder one. So there's a lot more stuff in here. They're perfect for make and takes. I mean, these are so cute. And you don't have to use up all your oils. That's for you to keep for yourself. So you can make up all of the stuff in the full-size bottles and then disperse it into the smaller bottles for people to take home. So I love that idea. And you can even do this as a giveaway unless you want to keep it for yourself because it's kind of amazing. Or you could do more than one make and take and get 2 boxes. and keep one for yourself and give one to your hostess or something like that. So lots of cool things you can do with that. What do you guys think of these boxes? Let me know. Go ahead and comment and let me know what you guys think of these boxes. I put the link in the description. You can order those. This is the October subscription box. So there's an oiler box for $19.95 and then the builder box for $39.95, and it comes with all of that stuff. You get to keep the recipes forever and share them with all your friends who have dogs and cats. Perfect to go along with the veterinary panel that happened last month. And these are all of the recipes, you guys, are brand neutral. So there's no proprietary blends in there or anything like that. So you can use it with you know, with any of the really pure essential oils. So I hope you guys like this, and comment and let me know what you think, and go ahead and click the link to order and let me know which recipe you are the most excited about, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.